Guys, little reminder, we're preparing for an RV trip across 48 states, US states. Um, so I will be capturing the preparation for this trip, and today I'm going to show you the place we're living with my partner. We're renting this place. It's was found on Airbnb. So let's check it out. So there's a place for parking. It's surrounded by nature, forests, and fields with wild animals such as deers. Like close to 6 p.m. there are deers all around. Sometimes we can spot turkeys in the morning, like around 6 a.m. Foxes, raccoons, mice, and that's very pleasant part. So here's the house. It's called cabin. It's called the cabin. So here's the part of the garage. We'll go there in a while. Here's the porch. So it has basement. It has basement down there, and the main space here. They just recently they installed these hummingbird feeders, and sometimes you can spot them. So now it's just two, and it will be more later. So here's the cat's house. Usually it sits there, not now, or here. So there's a porch with bees, bumblebees. So usually I go here in the morning just to say hi to nature. This is called the porch. It has anti-mosquito net. So here's the main space. A lot of little things. Yeah, we have deers. Big TV, another deer. This is the place for chilling. The fire pit, real one. So there are 3 bedrooms. One is ours here, small one but cozy. With the closet. There's another one. Sometimes guests stay in here. Yeah. There's no bathroom inside. The bathroom is kind of shared. Yeah. There is our host's bedroom. We'll not go there. This is shared bath, but nowadays they are just for us. Shower. There is a laundry here also. Laundry machine, it's free, it's included. Laundry machine and drying machine. My my favorite pictures. They're staring at us. Of course, zebra. So we're staying here from February. We need to close these doors because Tiger, this fat cat, is not allowed going there. Say hi, Tiger. He's so fat, but they say that he was born like that, right, Tiger? Now he's trying to trick me into feeding him. Right. So here's the bar place. You can eat and work here. This is the kitchen. Actually, there are two kitchens, so this is first one. You have coffee machine. You have the toaster. Actually, this is the third or fourth toaster. They change it all the time. Knives. New stove. So there is a small little kitchen here as well. Tiger feeder. And we have like detectors for movements. So the lights, we don't need to turn on the lights, turn off the lights. Here's another stove. Two fridges. Our stuff, our Asian stuff. There is another closet. Oh, bro, a lot of things. This is like a living room, but it's called Den, D-E-N. Another bathroom. And let's go to the garage. There's a garage place for 2 cars. Hosts are not here today. One of the hosts is participating in some railroad festival or just gathering. He has been building trains, like real trains models, like for 40 years. So this is the place where I make my music. Was given a monitor. This is my stuff. My electric guitar. There's a printer here, scanner and copier machine. Yeah. So here comes the train. It's a really built train. This is the workshop. So all trains are being built there. All heavy machineries. Small train. This is just the heaven for hands-on. This is our host office. We'll not go there for privacy reasons. So we'll come back to the place we started from this door. This is the camper of hosts. So that was it. Guys, subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing the process of preparing to RV trip. See you later.